doing here? Let's check out! Welcome to Kids Home Stars. Today we are going to make an experiment. Ready for experiment? Here I have taken 2 glasses of water and 2 badams. Hello. I'm going to put these badams in the glass of water. Blink. Oh, both are sinking. Now I can make the badam float in water. The magic ingredient is salt. So now I'm going to remove the cap, take my spoon and take some salt. Oh yeah. Put off that extra and ta-da! Now I'll just add to 1 glass. That is so cool. That white snow salt. Now let's mix it. Ooh. Can you see it? Turn the spoon and mix it again. Magic liquid is ready. I'll add badam again and let's see the magic. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Whoa! The badam is floating in salt water. Ho ho! The badam sank in normal water again. Let's try with egg. Slowly drop it. They both sing. Let's do the magic now. I'm adding the salt now. That white snow salt. Whoa, it's so beautiful. Mixy. Let me test the salt water. Oh no, egg is still sinking. I'll add more snow white salt. Let me test now. Slowly I'll drop now. Ooh. Wow! Egg is floating in salt water. Normal water is sinking. I'll exchange the eggs now. Yay! In this glass, egg is floating. Friends, you too try this experiment. Try with different things. If objects didn't float, add more salt to water. Thanks for watching the video. Like the video. Subscribe the channel. Bye.